to my channel, and if you're new, I am so glad you're here. If you like videos like this, then I hope that you consider subscribing, and if you subscribe, please don't forget to click on that bell so that you can be informed and stay tuned for all future uploads. Today, as you can see, I'm going to be sharing with you my grocery haul from Walmart, and if you are interested, I am also sharing a quarantine tea at the very end of the video. And so that tea is just something that I came up with to share with my family to just assist us with immune systems during this time of quarantine. If you are interested in this recipe, then please continue watching all the way to the end. So I want to go ahead and show you all the frozens and cold things first. There are certain things that you won't see on this video because I've already left them in the garage. I had to buy some gardening soil, some manure for my garden, and some mulch for my garden, and also some fertilizers. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get into this cold stuff. So I'm going to be trying this Lotus Biscoff ice cream, and this is just made with that cookie butter that we all love. So I didn't know until my daughter had gone to the store and picked some of the items up from this brand that they even had anything, you know, ice cream related. So this one's in the flavor blueberry cheesecake. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Because my husband doesn't like the cookie butter, I got him some Halo Top in the flavor candy bar. So I'm hoping that he'll like that. My daughter needed some whipped topping, so I bought this for her. I got some couple of bags of broccoli florets. I'm going to be making some chili tonight, so I got ground lamb, and some ground beef. And on Sunday, I'm going to be making some chicken pot pie. So I got 2 things of the chicken thighs. They're free range. Next, I got some Philadelphia cream cheese in the flavor smoked salmon. Some Parmesan cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese, and I got some salad. And this is the Taylor Farms Maple Bourbon Bacon Chopped Kit, and it comes with romaine lettuce, broccoli, red and Savoy cabbage, green onion, carrots, uncured smoky bacon, golden honey almonds, and it has a maple bourbon vinaigrette. The other one is by the same people, and this is the sweet kale salad chopped kit, and it has broccoli, green cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, pepitas, radicchio, cranberries, and a poppy seed dressing. These are really good salads. One of my favorites. For the chili that I'm making, I have this beef bone broth. I also add diced tomatoes and rotel. This is the Mexican style lime and cilantro. I also got some Eagle brand. I just add a little of this to my coffee on some days. I'm gonna try making some hummus, and so I got a couple of cans of these organic garbanzo beans, hashtag chickpeas. So I got 2 cans of those. I got some honey Dijon mustard. Honey mustard. I'm missing a bag, but I also got a couple of containers of onion powder. Let's see. Next, I got some pure cane sugar. I think this is by Zolka. Got some breadcrumbs. Here's the other onion powder. Whoops. Got some tahini. So I'll be mixing those with my garbanzo beans. And I got some tarragon, so I'm going to try to use that as a seasoning in a soup that I might make in the future. But I'll put this in something, some soup, some beans. It's supposed to be really good in stews, so a nice unique flavor. Can't wait to try that. Let's see, what do I have? Oh, okay, so because my family and I like to bake, I saw these in Walmart, some espresso baking chips, and I thought they might be good for cookies or maybe some nice fudgy chocolatey brownies. So I'm going to be using those. Ghirardelli is one of my favorite brands in chocolate chips. Once you go Ghirardelli, you cannot go back. Telling you, they're so rich and delicious and flavorful. The best chocolate chips that I've had. And I saw these caramel flavored chips, and so I thought those would be great along with some chocolate chips and some cookies. So we will be ready when it's time to bake some cookies. I also got some honey because we like to add honey to our tea along with a little lemon. And this just replaces all that sugar that we use, so I thought this would be good. We're running low. And even after I talk about health, I got a couple of these just for those days that we want to have a little something sweet, you know, after you haven't had something sweet for a while. And these are some new flavors in Kit Kat, so why not? Birthday cake flavored Kit Kats, limited edition. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I got one for my husband for him to try. He doesn't normally like birthday cake flavored things, but he does like Kit Kats. So we'll see. And just in case he says no to that, I was prepared to have something else for him. And I'll just enjoy the birthday cake Kit Kats. So there's that. And just in case he did enjoy the birthday cake Kit Kats, I didn't want to be left out, so I got me a regular king size Kit Kat. Don't judge. Let's see. Okay, so I needed some replacements and some new items. So I went ahead and tried these, or I'm going to go ahead and try these Equate Beauty charcoal pore strips, and this is for the nose and the face. So can't wait to see how that works for me. But there are times that I really need these. The next thing that I had to replace, I'm almost done using the can of sunscreen that I have from last year by Neutrogena. I always need the 100 plus because my skin is so sensitive to the sun. I burn every year, and I thought I would get the I guess the more lotiony type of sunscreen. So once I'm done with the spray, I thought I'd just kind of go with this form of sunscreen, because I don't know, sometimes I'm funny about using things on my skin from a can, so that's why I picked this up. I am now using these Maui brand hair care. I used another scent of the Maui shampoo, and I got this shampoo to replace that because I am out of this conditioner. So they didn't have the matching conditioner for the other shampoo. The shampoo that I was using, I forget what scent it was. It was a fruity scent, but it's in the pink container, which is really good. It's nice and softening. But when I finally found the matching conditioner, I didn't like it as much as this one. This is the one that I got first, and this is the hemp seed oil conditioner. It's, let's see, Maui Moisture Hair Care Fortifying Plus Hemp Seed Oil Conditioner for dry, brittle hair. So I always use things, even though my hair is not dry and it's not brittle, I always use things like this. I just feel like it protects it from getting that way. So that's where I go. But anything that's moisturizing and keeps your hair from breaking, that's the products that I try to keep on my hair. So it has the hemp seed oil, it has the cocoa butter, and I don't have my glasses on, so that's why I'm reading really slow, and Eastern fruit seed oil. I'll correct that on the video, but I can't see the, passion fruit seed oil. Oh my gosh. Y'all pray for me. Anyway, I just ended up with the matching products this time because I love the conditioner so much. So I'll get started on these ones. I'm completely out of the other ones, but I'm very low, so low that I might end up having to use these at the same time. Just like to be prepared. And let's see. Oh, I forgot to show y'all something else. So I got some white vinegar, and I just use this for my laundry, mostly on my towels, because you never know when the towels have, you know, that odor, like, you know, you've taken too long to wash them. So even though I consistently try to wash them, you never know until you dry them whether or not that scent is in there. So white vinegar just removes all of that. And I don't know why it's not focusing. And I got some spring water. All right, so the last few things that I'm going to show you are some Mother's Day cards. So some of us are not going to be able to hug our moms this year because of the quarantine, but I wanted to be sure that I mailed these out in enough time, God willing, because mail is slow. So I just got a couple of Mother's Day cards to send out to our moms, my husband's mom, my mom. So I thought those were so pretty. And the last few items that I got are some wax melts. These smell so good, so I'm hoping that the throw of these are really good. But this is the guava peach. And I also got the Pacific Coast Highway scent. And something I have not used in a long time are these fragranced incense sticks. So y'all are gonna have to tell me in the comment below if you've ever used these before and how long ago has it been since you used incense sticks. I love the smell of patchouli and I'm looking forward to burning these. And of course I had to get something to rest them on, so got a little marble incense holder. And these things cost a little bit of nothing. And this thing is solid. It is so solid. Of course it's marble, but it was like $2 and something. So, and then I think these were like 80 something cents, 94 cents, something like that. And you get 40. And I don't plan on burning them every day, but you know, when I get ready to, there's a bunch. So before we drink our quarantine tea, we're going to add a couple of caps full of the apple cider vinegar. And this is by Plant. This is Plant, or PLNT, organic apple cider vinegar. All right. And then we're going to add some of this raw and unfiltered Texas honey. And you just get honey from whatever area that you're in. It's best to get it like very local, like near the city or county that you're in. It's better to get that. But this is just what I picked up from the store, so that's what I'm using. I'm just taking off the seal and all of that. So I am going to use this plastic spoon and add about a couple of teaspoons of this honey. Just for a little sweetness. I'm going to try to stir that into the apple cider vinegar before I pour the tea in. And of course we're going to stir again once the tea is added. And this tea is, because of the energy boosting tea that I put in here, it's best taken like in the morning after you've had your water. This is not going to be a substitute for my coffee, but if you want to use it as such, because I don't think any of the tea that I used was decaffeinated this time. So if you want to use this in place of coffee, that's fine, but this, because of the energy boosting portion, then it's best to drink it in the morning. If you had another tea, or you just had the two teas, the green tea with the kombucha and the fruity tea, then you could just save this for at night, because I wasn't paying attention as far as the energy boosting. I wasn't thinking about it before I did it. But if you can drink a tea like this before you go to bed, it's going to be so much better, because that's the time that your body is resting. So let's see, now I'm going to add the tea. And I'm just going to do half, just about half of this glass. It's a little more than half, but now let's see. This apple cider vinegar, along with other apple cider vinegars with the mother in it, is so much better for you. It has so many more nutrients in here than regular apple cider vinegar. So if you're going to get apple cider vinegar for this tea or to drink and put in your water or whatever, make sure you're getting apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, and then do your research to find out, because that's a whole other video. If you research apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, you'll find out why the mother is so important. All right, let's try this tea, shall we? Cheers. That's good. So you can taste the berries, you can taste the spiciness from the energy tea, you can taste the bite from the apple cider vinegar. And as far as the honey is concerned, I didn't put a lot, so I can't really taste the sweetness of the honey. If you want it to be sweeter, then you can always add more honey. But it has a great flavor, and if you try it, I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. As far as health is concerned, I believe going that extra mile to boost the immune system, especially with everything that's going on right now, is very important. So this is why I wanted to share it with you, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you all enjoyed seeing the grocery haul, and I also hope that this quarantine tea recipe that I came up with will help you all in some way. I hope it helps to give you all something tasty to drink, as well as something that will keep you and your families healthy throughout this time of quarantine and social distancing. I appreciate you all so much for watching. Take care, have a blessed day, and I'll see you all on the next video, God willing. Bye-bye.